Dia start balik ke ni? Serius ah? Aduh, serabut lah. Record ada tak explain ni tadi ni. Foto okey. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to record this. Sorry. Okay, first section 1 for Labtest high voltage, I need to determine the apparatus that used for the lab session. Okay. The apparatus that used for the lab test is test transformer 100 kilovolt, the measuring capacitor, the grounding switch, the top electrode, the sphere gap, the connection rod, the connection cup, and secondary part for CMAC. Okay, I already, okay, this photo I already did, okay, on the pen here. Okay, okay, dia tak nampak pen. Okay, I already did. Okay, wait. Mana pen? Ni stupid. Don't be stupid, Shaina. Where is the pen? Just give me the pen section. Sangatlah. Mana call. Okay. Okay, all the photo that I explained just now, I already paint it and already paint it on the paint section here, but I forgot to record it, so I re-explain it back. Okay, so I just show this as the proof that I do this. Okay. So I already explained the section 1. So for section 2, I'm going to explain this one. So for section 2, first I'm going to explain the schematic, not this one. The transformer, okay, and the schematic diagram. Okay, the frequency converter must be connected properly at a correct point with transformer. Okay, this one, the green section is the frequency converter. The frequency converter input is 415 volt. The power is 10 kilo. The frequency is 47 to 63 hertz. And the output of the frequency converter is the voltage is maximum is 440 volt. The current 22.7 ampere and the frequency is 50 hertz to 200 hertz. Okay. Okay. The 2px must contact with 1 pu. This, the yellow, I already do this. Record ke tak ni? Okay, saya record lah. Okay. No, salah. Screen lah. Okay. Okay, this green one is from a frequency converter that I said earlier. Okay. Okay, these two PU, these two PX must be contact with one PU so that the one PU, so that the one PX and two PU will be obtained. The two PX and one PU must be contact. So the one PX and two PX will be obtained lah. Okay. Other than that, it is important to the transformer to be function as generate high voltage level and isolating transformer. The value is V input is 240 volt and V output is 240 volt, and the potential from 1 to 100 kilovolt. Okay, next I will explain this. The capacitor that being used as this is the capacitor that being used as high voltage unit for AC voltage divider. Okay. Tampak kan sana. Okay, this is the voltage divider capacitor schematic diagram that connected to the transformer. Okay. Voltage divider circuit are used to produce different voltage levels from a common voltage sources, but the current is the same for all components in a series circuit. From the capacitor, which is 100 microfarad, the coaxial cable are being used to connect with the secondary AC device. Voltage divider consists of two capacitors with series connection and one of them rated by 100 microfarad while another capacitor rated with 2 microfarad, the high voltage and low voltage. Okay. Since the small value of capacitor will produce high value of voltage drop, so 100 microfarad capacitor value are being used. Okay, the probe can only hold 7 VRMS. So the voltage divider concept is being used so that the power can safely supply. Sana. The grounding connection from frequency converter into transformer is connected with mesh copper braided cable. This is because the grounding connection must have less than 2 ohm for safety purposes. Okay. Next, I will explain this, the PCB printed circuit board of secondary capacitor. This is the diagram of PCB of secondary capacitor, and this is the schematic diagram that I draw for the printed circuit board of secondary capacitor. Okay. Okay, as we know, on the PCB there are 19 capacitor, which rated is 0.1 microfarad. Okay. Okay, so for the schematic, there will be also have 19 capacitor. But since it takes time forever for me to draw on the pen, so I'll just draw 9 capacitor, which are connected in parallel. And at the end of the 19 capacitor, there will be a resistor value of 1 ohm that will be connected also in parallel. Okay, and this they are all of them are connected and connect to grounding. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Stop recording. Yeah, stop recording. Soon.